The Easy Fold and Go walker is incredibly convenient with its ability to fold 4 times smaller than traditional rollators, making it easy to store and transport. With a lightweight frame weighing only 8 pounds, this walker is not only easy to handle but also robust enough to support up to 400 pounds. The walker arrives fully assembled, and its padded handles can be adjusted between 32 to 38 inches to suit various user heights comfortably. Equipped with 6-inch locking swivel wheels, it offers both stability and flexibility, allowing users to choose between fixed or swiveling wheels for different mobility needs. Its narrow and stylish design with a footprint of 24 by 24 inches when open ensures easy navigation through tight spaces, and it stands on its own when folded. Ideal for individuals between 5 feet 6 inches and 6 feet 3 inches tall, this walker accommodates a wide range of users without compromising on comfort or functionality.